Hey there, good morning. I am working on a couple of journals, and I mentioned them yesterday in the video I did yesterday, and I actually decided to do two of them. So they're not twins, but they are sisters. So the spine's a little different. Some of the material, the composition of where I've laid the fabrics is a little bit different. This is going to be the inside, and then it will have two signatures. I still need to add some more pages, but that comes after. And this is the one I'm working on today. I did sew it by machine, the majority of it, but now I'm adding details with some embroidery floss. And let's see, I'm trying to see, here it is, here's my needle. I thought I lost the needle for a second. Well, I did lose it. There we go. Okay. So yeah, now I'm just adding some little details by hand, and that's what I like to do. And this is just like a simple, I guess, running stitch or whatever. My thread's actually a little short, but yeah. So this is what I'll be doing for the next, I don't know, 30 minutes or so, just for a little bit. There are things I need to do around the house, but I did want to show you guys kind of what it takes to make one of these journals. I hope the lighting isn't, I always have trouble with this lighting. Trying to figure it out here. But yeah, this is what I'm doing. It is a little fiddly, but I think it adds so much visual beauty to these handmade journals, and texture, and that's why these are just made, they're made with love. And I don't even know what I'm saying. Well, I mean, it's because I'm concentrating, but yeah, this is what it's all about. Handmade journals, making something pretty that someone will enjoy time and time again every day when they sit down to write their thoughts, their memories, their hopes, their dreams, add a picture, that kind of stuff. That's the whole reason that I like making these books, is because of that. And I'm just going to tie this off. I'm not sure if I did that right. Oh yeah, I did. Just tie it off there. Try to make a double knot. And then I will continue with adding more little details. I think this one is the only one, well, I say that now, but then I might change my mind. I think this one is the only one that I'll add hand embroidered details to it. And then the other one, I probably won't. But we shall see. So that's the beginning of it. Like I said, that's going to be the cover. I do have the signatures that will go in this one. And then I'm still waiting on a delivery of supplies that I need to finish the interior linings of these. So this one actually has an applique. Well, it is part of this that I bought from a shop on Etsy. I can't remember. I know I have, the shop is on my account, you know, when my Etsy account. So if they're still open, I'll add a link in case you like this. I'll add a link to the store. It's very beautiful. So yeah, so I added it to this journal here in the front, and then here in the back, a little piece of it. And then, like I said, this one I didn't add any of this material to it, but I might. I haven't decided. I might just use this inside, you know, as tabs. Just haven't decided yet. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to share that with you really quickly, just so that you know, you could see what I was working on. And if you want to leave any comments or just say hi, I would enjoy that. I would love to respond and you know, say hi back. So anyway, all right, well, you guys have a great day. All right, bye.